Hey guys, I just wanted to talk to you about installing Lightroom CC. Now, teaching online, I've had to think about students who only have access to a Chromebook and even some students who only have access to a mobile device. So I've had to adjust my curriculum a bit based off of these factors. So the good thing is, no matter if you have an iPad, phone of any type, a Chromebook, or a normal laptop computer or desktop computer, you can use Adobe Lightroom CC, which is a really great photo editing software. You all also have access to this for free, right? So normally, like if you weren't a student, if you graduated, moved on to college, if you weren't taking any classes that had to do with photo editing or anything like that, you would probably have to pay for Adobe products, and they're not super cheap. So take advantage of this now and use some of these programs. Now, another thing I wanted to mention is I wanted to keep Adobe and image editing in the curriculum because it's a lot more fun than if I were to just talk to you guys about like copyright issues or other things like that. I can't necessarily have you like taking pictures because I don't know who has access to a camera and who doesn't, and I can't expect everybody to have access to a camera anyway. So one thing that most of you can do is actually edit some of your pictures, and it's a lot more fun than sitting through like presentations and stuff like that. So first things first, whether you're on a Chromebook or a laptop computer, you're just going to go to the Adobe website, type in Google, go to adobe.com, whatever, and you're going to sign in. Sign in is going to be in the top right corner. Now, a reminder, your email address or your username for your Adobe ID is your 9 number at graniteschools.org. For me, I don't have a student number, so it's obviously different. If it asks you this question about whether or not this is a personal account or a company or school account, obviously select company or school account. What should happen is it should pull up the Granite School District login. Now I'm already logged in on this computer, so it like automatically took me to their like account homepage. This should look the same, like on a Chromebook or on a computer, it should look the same. So to install Adobe Lightroom, you go over here to Creative Cloud. Now if you're on a desktop, it's going to pull up a whole new like window and have you download and install the actual program. Oh, this is new. We've got Photoshop available on desktop and mobile. So that's where it'll tell you like what you've got available. Basically, if Lightroom's not showing up for you, click View All. This is definitely what it looks like on a Chromebook because I practiced with this the other day. You're going to use Lightroom, the one with the rounded edges, right? So there's two different versions of Lightroom actually. There's Lightroom Classic and then there's Lightroom CC. Lightroom CC, this one with the brighter blue, you can access from a phone, computer, tablet, whatever. Anyway, that's the program you're going to be using for a few of your tutorials. Another one that I'll give you more information later is called Pixlr, but that'll be helpful for you for when I start going into a little bit more Photoshop. So I'll talk more about that later. See ya!